Good morning, my dear little kids. How are you all? I hope you all are good and fine. So, kids, today we are going to learn about new number. And in our previous class, we learned how to write number 14 and how to count 14 objects. Okay, so kids, today we are going to learn about number 15. 1, 5, 15. Okay, which number is this? 1, 5, 15. Okay, so kids, look here. I have one worksheet. Okay, so which number is this? 1, 5, 15. Okay, so now you have to look here how to write number 15 and what is the formation of number 15. Okay, so for make one number you have to make standing line. Okay, 1 standing line. Okay, now look here, which number is this? 5. And how to make number 5? Slipping line, then standing line, then make right curve. Okay, slipping line, standing line and right curve. This is 1, 5, 15. Okay, so now I have some heart shaped papers. Okay, which shape is this? Heart shaped paper. So let's count. Okay, so start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14 and 1, 5, 15. So how many heart shape we have? We have 15 heart shape. 1, 5, 15. Okay. So now I have planned one activity for you. So come and join your
kids, look here. This is number 1, 5, 15. Okay. And now this side I have some square shape papers. Okay. So let's count how many papers cutting we have. So let's start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14 and 1, 5, 15. So we have 15 square shape paper. Okay, how many papers we have? 15. Now kids, I have some triangle shapes papers. Okay, so you have to count this also with your ma'am. Okay, now start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14 and 1, 5, 15. So we have how many triangle shape papers? 15. 1, 5. Now kids, I am taking work in our book Candy Number. Okay, so this is page number 44. Okay, so very first what you have to do, you have to write here CW and write today's date. Okay, now see kids, we have one activity in our book. What is the activity? Circle number 15 in the given picture. So we have one picture here. Okay, what is this? It's a kettle. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to find out, we have many numbers inside this kettle. So you have to find out number 15 and you have to circle it. So let's start. Where is number 15? Here. Okay, 1, 5, 15. So you have to circle it. Now one more, 1, 5, 15 is there. So you have to circle it. Now can you find where is number 15? Here. So you have to circle this number 15. Now where is number 15? Here. So you have to circle this also. Now any more number 15 is there? Yes, we have one more number 15. So you have to circle it. Okay, so like this you have to complete this small activity.
Okay, now come down side. What is your question? Trace and write number 15. Okay, so here we have tracing line. So now look carefully, kids. What is the formation of number 15? So very first you have to make standing line for 1. Okay, then for number 5, slipping line, standing line and right curve. Okay, again standing line, slipping line, standing line and right curve. Okay, so kids, like this you have to complete this tracing line. Now see downside. In this box you have to make one dot, then from this dot to this blue line you have to make standing line like this. Okay, you have to touch this blue line. Then this is number 1. Then make one dot, then make slipping line, then standing line and then make right curve. So you have to touch this blue line. Okay, again standing line, then slipping line, then standing line, then make right curve and touch this blue line. Okay, so like this you have to complete this 2 line. Kids, see, don't make number 15 like this. Okay, this is wrong, this is correct. Okay, you have to touch number 1 to this blue line, and if you are making number 5, then also you have to touch this blue line. Okay, so like this you have to complete your page number 44. Now come to next page. Upside you have to write HW. Okay, now see, we have one more activity. So what you have to do, join the numbers and color the picture. Okay, so kids, you have to join the number, start speak counting and join the numbers. Okay, so let's start from number 1. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, then 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, then 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14 and 1, 5, 15. So kids, what is this? This is butterfly. Okay, this is butterfly. So kids, you have to complete this picture by joining the dots and color this picture. Okay, and now see downside. This is your tracing line. So you have to do this tracing line same as CW. Then downside you have to make number 15, 1, 5, 15 same like this. Okay, so you have to complete this both pages. Okay, and send me the pics. Bye. Yes, now it's activity time. So kids, are you ready for the activity? Yes, great. So let's start. So kids, for today's activity you have to take one white sheet. Okay, then what I am doing, I am showing you. Then you have to take color. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to take your one hand. Okay, then take color on your hand and just press on this white paper. Okay, you have to do, kids? You have to count the fingers. How many fingers we have? So let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12, 1, 3, 13, 1, 4, 14, and 1, 5, 15. So we have 15 here, 50 fingers in this hands. Okay, so you have to do this activity at your home and send me the pic. Okay kids, I hope you like this activity. Okay,